All right, 5-minute lessons, radicals. All right, I'm going to do as much of this as I can in about 5 minutes. Which one of these do you guys want me to help you with? Come on, just pick a number. Number 6. I heard a 6. Okay, that is the cube root of 125 over 216. So what do I want to teach you about that? Well, that's the same thing as the cube root of 125 divided by the cube root of 216. So that's an important thing. You can separate those cube roots. Anybody know what the cube root of 125 is? It is 5. I'm thinking that the cube root of 216 is 36 times 6, 180 plus 36. It is. There you go. What's another one of these I can do for you? I heard a 9, and I'll also do an 11. All right, now if I got to number 9, I don't know what the cube root of 343 is. Thinking it ends in a 3, but it's not 13. So I'm just going to go straight to the calculator and show you how to put this in. Okay. So let me go. Boink. Cube root of negative 0.343. All right. So how to do a cube root on the calculator? You go to math, and it's number 4. This is one way to do it. Oh, hold on. Second quick. Math, number 4. Cube root of point. What was it? No, you wouldn't know. Rachel, you're amazing. Negative 0.343. I'll just check, although I do completely trust you. And I should always just trust Rachel, but that's okay. Uh-oh. I can't use this very well. I hit enter. Did you know you could do that? And I'll change this to 4 and 3. All right, so it's negative 0.7. Now, here's a good time to teach this. Another way to do a cube root is just to take negative 0.343 and take it to the 1/3 power. It gives you the, so whichever one's easier for you. Okay, Rach. It is not. What a great question. Square roots of negatives are imaginary, but cube roots of negatives are all good. What's negative 5 times negative 5, Rachel? Positive 25. What's positive 25 times negative 5 again? Negative 125. And for that reason, the cube root of negative 125 is negative 5. So excellent. You just made a really important discovery. You can take the odd roots of negative numbers and not get imaginaries. Okay? All right. Okay, I will do number 11. The 5th root of 243. I'm thinking the answer to that is 3, but let's put it in here. So I'm just going to do alpha y equals enter 1 over 243. Hold on. And then to the 1/5 power. Gosh, I hate this thing. Divided by. And then you do. You get 1/3. Okay. These are harder now. Who's got one of these they want to see me do? Just pick one. Number 16. Thank you for picking number 16. The good news is it's a square root. The bad news is there are variables in there. Remember, when you have a square root, you have a 2 out there. What thing times itself is x to the 20th? What thing times the same thing gives you x to the 20th? Rachel? X to the 10th. Very good. And then what thing times itself is y to the 8th? That's y to the 4th. How did Rachel do that? Well, she thought x to the 10 times x to the 10. Well, that's x to the 10 plus 10. That's x to the 20th. So if we add exponents when we multiply, when we take the square root, we can divide the exponents. can divide the exponents, okay? So if I look at this is going to be x squared, y cubed, and z to the first. Okay, that's about all I can teach you in 5 minutes. Come to me with the rest of your questions that I didn't answer. Boom!